I love rain games. Jersey gonna get dirty. Gonna be all nice. Woo! It's about to be a day, man.
Top of the morning to you, everyone. We are at Wembley. We are in London. Week 7 with the Los Angeles Rams and the Jacksonville Jaguars.
A whole long way from St. Louis, dog. We in London, overseas balling. It's a blessing, man, just to be here.
Certainly a different sound and absolutely a different sight.
Oh!
Teal flags waving around on a rainy Sunday here at Wembley Stadium.
We're meant to be here, boy. Take advantage of every moment. Let's go.
Don't take that. Let's go.
The conditions will be a factor.
International stage and a rain game. That means it's time for us to show up. We do what we do. When it rains, it's time for the trenches to show up. Let's go ahead and do it. Hey, trench work on 3, 1, 2, 3. Trench work.
Lawrence was sacked a career-high 7 times last Sunday, so Byron Young and Jared Verse must be licking their chops.
They better sit down and lay down, man. You know it don't matter. They damned if they do, they damned if they don't.
I swear. They're going to get it regardless. Beautiful day, innit?
Beautiful day, man.
Beautiful day for a W, innit? Let's go, boys. The most glorious day for the most glorious of W's.
This is a massive opportunity for your Los Angeles Rams. Today, a chance to sweep the AFC South. And so it's up to Trevor Lawrence and the Jags to strike first here in London. Lawrence starts in the shotgun. The 26-year-old fifth-year quarterback stands in the pocket. He's hit. He is sacked. London is calling indeed. A wake-up shot across Trevor Lawrence's bow.
Hey, that's us, D. That's what we do.
Here comes Stafford, his 3rd international start. Set up the throw. Stafford off his heel to the back of the end zone. Caught for a touchdown. The first of Konate Mumpfield's career is here in London.
Like Ronaldo.
And with that touchdown toss, Matthew Stafford moves to 5th in franchise history. This is LA's second drive. Stands up, he throws the fade, right side, leaping catch. Davante Adams has it. Touchdown, Davante. Touchdown, LA.
Tay? Hey, Tay? Hey, Tay?
Easy money there for Davante Adams.
Hey, man. Hey, let's get. I hope we got some aggressive right now.
I know.
Nothing.
You say nothing.
Ooh, a little ducky? A little sacky?
Play action here. Trevor Lawrence has to dodge pressure from Jared Verse. He steps up. He's hit. He's sacked. Nate Landman can do it all. And the Rams defense knocks the Jaguars offense off the field again. 50-yard field goal try on the way, and it is no good. The Jaguars swing one wide left. What a dominant start here in London for your Los Angeles Rams. He's got Kyron Williams as a single back, and he does hand it off. Working back to his right and turning the corner. There goes Kyron. A stiff arm on the edge. Shakes off a shoulder tackle and crosses midfield. Rams looking to add to a 2-touchdown lead. Stafford off play action. Has a clean pocket. Throws high left side. Leaping catch by Davante Adams. They're back in the red zone. Play fakes. Throws back in the end zone. Oh, what a catch by Davante Adams.
What a play there. It's a one-handed stab.
John Matthew Stafford with a first half hat trick through the air. Rams dominating.
I told you they come in bundles. They come in bundles. Box office, who they come to see?
Let's
Come on. London time. Boy.
Jacksonville's had no trouble breaking across midfield. They've yet to find the end zone or points of any kind.
And what? Watch this. Watch this.
Lawrence set up with that left foot forward in the shotgun. Blitz coming after him. He spins out. Could not get away. Dragged down at midfield. Quentin Lake with a celebration in London. Last week, a pick and a fumble recovery. This week, the captain gets a sack.
He said, y'all gonna cover too, huh? I said, yeah, watch this. Hey, I hope they get that on back up. He said, y'all gonna cover too. I said, yeah, watch this.
What a play by him coming off the edge. Travis Hunter is trying to communicate. Trevor Lawrence didn't see it. As soon as he feels the pressure, he spins out. And normally those quarterbacks get out of that, but great job by Quentin Lake.
Now it's about that competitive greatness, that sustainability. Close the door. Make them earn everything.
4 straight punts in the third quarter for the Rams offensively. They're going to try and put the Jags away, or they could just use the cadence here. We'll see if they actually go for it. Oh, they got him! Matthew did it! Steve Avila and the offensive line celebrate. They got the Jags in the neutral zone and locked it in. Now they're a nose short. The 5 yards did not get them all the way to the line to gain, so it's 4th down and a whisker. Stafford under center at the 31 of Jacksonville. Play fakes. He's going to throw for it. 4th and 1. Cuts it loose. End zone shot. Got it! An absolute dot! Terrance Ferguson's first touchdown as a pro on 4th down and less than a yard. Matthew Stafford sticks the dagger in.
Great route by Ferguson, great call, and then Stafford sells it. Looking left. As soon as Ferguson puts his foot in the ground to go back across the field, he flips his hips.
And the new score, 28-0.
Congrats, brother. Awesome. First a minute, brother. First a minute, Sensei. First a minute, baby. Jay Wade. Proud of you, dog.
6:02 left to go. Matthews in the shotgun, takes the snap, back to pass, looking Devontae's way, back shoulder, he got tugged. There's the flag. He got pulled down by Jordan Lewis on an incompletion at the 10-yard line. So pass interference, and he actually got the face mask of Adams, so a double dip on Jordan Lewis. New first down on the 1. 5 minutes to go in regulation. Matthew Stafford under center, throws the fade, jump ball. Devontae does it again! Over the top of the outmatched defender. Matthews got 5. Devontae has a hat trick.
When you know there's not enough time for them to come back, you can open up the offense. You get Devontae close to the end zone. Nice fade route. Great catch by Devontae. Big day by him. Heck of a day for this offense. Way to finish strong.
Get one more. You gotta get one more. One more.
The Rams are rampaging through London. For much of this second half, it felt like Sean McVay was just managing the game. Here in the 4th quarter, he stepped on the gas and decided to put it away.
Hey, I got some air on that too. I wanted to let it. You gotta get on the tires so they can charge that. Hey, I let them know. I said, come on now, come on. You got turned up out.
A complete performance here in London. 35-7 will be the final. Your Los Angeles Rams are flying home at 5-2.
Appreciate you, London, for looking out for the kids, man. We had a blast. Going home with a dub. Hey, 10-hour flight back. It's going to be sweet.
I am so proud of this football team and what you guys did and how that week of work translated. You don't just show up and do those things. That was a translation of everything you guys did throughout the course of the week, man. I got 2 game balls. All right, I want to be able to recognize 2 guys right here. Not 1, not 2, but 3 tutties. Where's the ball? Hey, you had 3 to Devontae and 2 more. 5 tutties. Grateful for this guy leading the way, Matthew.
That's a resilient group. Good. Rams on 3, 1, 2, 3. Rams.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our videos.